The day I enrolled, I was really nervous because I was a day late in enrolling, and we had a new teacher and going to be our advisor.
Everyone, I'm your grade 8 advisor, Miss Jaya Marie L. Navarez.
Good morning, Ma'am Navarez.
Good morning, sit down. Biographical.
When I
Excuse me,
entered,
ma'am.
I
Good
already
morning.
knew my classmates, but I was nervous to introduce myself to
Yes.
everyone
I'm
because
the
our
new
advisor
student
was
here.
new.
Why did you enroll late?
It's because I have financial problem.
Okay. Come in and introduce yourself first. Okay, good morning everyone. You have a new classmate. Introduce yourself first.
Good morning, everyone. I am Precious Desiree Ellie Guzman, 14 years old.
Okay, sit there. Okay, so
When
I'm
the class
your grade 8
started,
advisor,
I felt
Miss
pretty
Jaya Marie L.
comfortable because
Navarez.
the new teacher was kind.
Okay, Ma'am
Navarez.
Please be seated.
Thank you, Ma'am Navarez.
Welcome. Okay,
This
what
time,
is
I had
biographical
already
context?
adjusted on the first day because it was
Biographical
easy to
context.
get along with my
The context
classmates.
that focuses the author's life.
Okay, thank you. Sit down.
Thank you, Ma'am.
Okay, that's all for today.
Goodbye and thank you, Ma'am Navarez.
Goodbye. Oh my god, it's already time. Kasi paano?
Oh my God! Ma'am Navarez is coming. Let's get inside.
Okay, good morning everyone.
Good morning, Ma'am Navarez.
Okay.
The day passed,
Poetry uses
different
rhythm,
lessons were
rhyme,
taught
and
to us.
expressive language.
Sometimes I had trouble with
Often
my
has
lessons, but
lines
I was
and
able to answer
stanzas
them.
instead of full paragraph. Okay? What is poetry again? Kabahog. Okay, kabahog.
Poetry. It uses rhythm, rhyme, and expressive language.
Okay, thank you, Vincent. Okay, that's all for today. And you may go now to your garden.
Goodbye and thank you, Ma'am Navarez.
Goodbye.
Okay, let's go to our garden.
We had activities in the garden where we cleaned, we pulled out the grass so that we could plant more plants and vegetables. Sometimes we teased each other, played games, but we still continued with our activity.
We're done cleaning our garden and I think we can go home now.
Let's go.
do your assignments, okay?
Yes, Mom Navarez.
Okay, bye. Take care.
Goodbye.
This time, our advisor told us to don't forget to do our assignments. We really made so many happy memories last year.